Got this deluxe cat toy pack from Amazon. Let's see how they like it. All right, so comes in this nice Ziploc bag. We got one of these wands. Hey, look at the wand. Hey. He seems to be more obsessed with these. We got a ball right here. Nice little scratchy ball that they can claw into. Hey, he is obsessed with this little thing right here. This little mouse. And he likes that one. This one's got a little scratchy tail. And then we got this little critter. Not much to that one. Ooh. Well, they'll be chewing this one, that's for sure. Let's see what else we got in here. Lots of different assorted balls. Here's a little guy trapped inside this ball. There's that one. A little star. Another thing that they'll chew a lot. Oh yeah, they'll be chewing that one for sure. Let's see what else we got in here. We got another scratchy ball, more mice, more things they'll chew. Oh yeah, this one they'll like a lot too. They'll scratch this one up. He's just getting a good sniff right now. I think he'll like that one. Let's get the rest of these out. Oh, they'll like this one, I think. They like the feathers. He's definitely into the feather. And the last thing is this little toy, which I should untie right now. And there we go, it's a little green tunnel. Casey loves this tunnel. I will say, for $11, this is not a bad deal. You get all this stuff here, and you get the tunnel too, which they especially like. The only thing I would recommend is make sure you supervise your cats, because some of these parts are pretty small. But other than that, not a bad deal. You learning how to be potty trained? That's what I thought.